Are you looking to upgrade a room like I was with my husband's music room? I'm Ree with WTI, and didn't this gorgeous fan by Roomratv take the space from looking a little mismatched to designer? It's compact and flush, so the room actually feels bigger and more intentional. And the lighting adjusts with how we want to use the space. So it can go softer with warm yellow at night to bright, cool white during the day, and we can dim it down to just 10%. We use that remote a lot for fan speed, lighting, and the timer. But what surprised me the most was the airflow. That thing can pack a punch of air. This room is just about 130 square feet and we could fill it in the next room. I actually had to turn it down because I got cold. Now, installation is very straightforward. It took us about 90 minutes because we're perfectionists, but it was well worth the time. For me, this turned a room that we liked into one we loved, and that's my point of view.